For this video, we are going to make Vietnamese egg coffee. For the ingredients, hot water, egg yolks, condensed milk, sugar, and Vietnamese ground coffee. Pour the ground coffee into a Vietnamese thin filter base. Place the thin filter lid on top and let the coffee drip through the filter into the glass. Set it aside and let it brew. In a mixing bowl, combine the egg yolks, condensed milk, and sugar. Whip the egg mixture for 3 minutes or until it turns fluffy and light in color. Once the coffee is ready, fill it up with the egg cream. Lastly, enjoy your Vietnamese egg coffee.